Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I am also fine, students. Okay, shall we come back to our lesson in accountancy? The third lesson we have not learnt some portion. Okay, there are two that approaches in accounting. One we have learnt already, the traditional approach. The accounting equation approach we are going to learn. Okay. Here, accounting equation, even though we have not studied, we know that equation, isn't it? What is that equation? That assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. This equation arises because of the double entry system. Every transaction has two aspects. One debit, the other one is credit. And the amount also will be equal. Okay, so it will get tally. Okay, each and every transaction what we enter, it will get tallied. Both assets will be equal to liabilities. Liabilities means to the outsiders. This one also considered as the liability. Okay, here they will write this capital will be again, it will be increased by the revenue. So, plus revenues. Because we add this net profit along with this capital income, and the expenses will be deducted. Okay, so as per this accounting equation approach, there are 5 accounts. Okay, assets account, liabilities account, capital account, revenue account, and expenses account. We know what are the assets. Assets means all the that fixed assets and current assets, isn't it? Assets account. There we have learnt personal account, real account, nominal account, isn't it? Personal account again divided into 3. That natural person, artificial person, and representative person. Then real, that intangible and intangible asset. Okay. Then real account. Then nominal account, all the expenses and losses. Okay, so totally there are also 3 accounts, but here 3 only: assets account, liabilities account, capital account. Again, this capital will be increased by revenue and it will be reduced by expenses. So again 2 more accounts. Okay, so totally here 5 accounts. What is asset account? We know that properties or rights owned by the proprietor. Okay, the rights owned, the properties we can say. Okay, properties and possessions of the proprietor, that is called assets account. Okay, the liabilities means the obligation of the business organization. Okay, obligation, we can say financial obligation. Okay, financial obligation of the business enterprise to outsiders. Outsiders may be creditors, banks, okay, financial institutions. Okay, here we can say all these are the examples. Okay, then capital is also an obligation, financial obligation of the business, but it is to owners. Okay, because the owner is the person who invests money in the business. Okay, that amount should be repaid by the business to the owner. Okay, that is also one of the obligations. So assets, liabilities, capital. Then revenues. What are the revenues? All the revenue of the enterprise. Maybe the income. Okay, the other word we can say the income of the business. Okay, maybe the interest, we can say the sale of goods. Okay, sales. Then all the other revenue, that interest received. Okay, commission received, everything received. Okay, they are income. Then what are expenses? Expenses account. Here we can say the expenses incurred. or loss suffered by the business organization. Okay, this one example we can say the purchases, then any interest paid, okay, commission paid, rent paid, okay, many expenses will be there. So here totally 5 accounts are there as per this accounting equation approach. Okay, here we have learned that if the assets and liabilities, if we make an entry in the books of account of a transaction, then it will get tally, it will be equal. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay, so here that accounting equation we have to prepare. Okay, before that they have given one illustration. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. If asset is 30,000, liabilities is 20,000. What will be capital? 10,000, isn't it? Like that it will be very easy to calculate the other one figure. Okay, 2 will be given, we have to calculate, that's all. Then accounting equation we will learn. Okay. Here for that purpose we have to use both the pages. Okay, accounting equation. One illustration I will show to you and I will do the exercise in the notebook. Okay, show the accounting equation on the basis of the following transactions for Rani, who is dealing in automobiles. Started business with cash. Goods bought on credit from Ramesh. Purchased furniture for cash. Paid creditors by cash. Purchased goods for cash. Paid rent by cash. Here we have to use both the pages. Okay, the particulars column, the left side particulars column you can use this one. Then to amount column. Okay, then this one, the other page you can use that date column. Then that small to write the date we can use this one equal sign. Then the particulars column can be divided into 2, capital and creditors. See, started business with cash. What is the journal entry? Journal entry we are not writing here. Okay, we are posting. So we have to write the transaction. Started, number 1, started business with cash. Here we have to write the beforehand itself what all the assets will come, what all the liabilities will come, we have to see. Okay, first we can write asset is equal to capital, creditors. Creditors are liabilities. Okay, assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Okay, now what are the assets? Here it started business with the cash. Cash is there. Then goods bought on credit. Here purchases will be there. Purchases we have to write as stock. Okay, here it is considered as stock, like an asset. Then creditors. Creditor is Ramesh. Okay, creditor we can use. Purchased furniture for cash. So asset cash, furniture cash. Both asset. Okay, cash also asset, furniture also asset. Then creditors, cash already there. Purchased goods, stock, cash already there. Paid rent by cash. Here that expenses, it will reduce the capital and cash already there. Okay, so one will increase one liability and decrease another liability, or it may increase one asset and it may increase the liability. Okay, so like that many varieties will be there. Started business with the cash. You see, cash is increasing, at the same time here capital is also increasing. Okay, so 80,000 is equal to 80,000. Then draw one line, they have written equation 80,000, 80,000. Then goods bought on credit from Ramesh. Here they have given us the short credit purchases. Here it will increase the stock, at the same time it will increase the creditors 10,000. So plus we should write if it increases. Okay, then you draw one line and write the equation. Everything you add and write, adjust and write. Then third journal entry, third transaction, purchased furniture for cash. cash purchase of furniture. You can write what is given in the question. Okay, purchased furniture for cash 6,000. So when we purchase furniture, furniture is increasing plus, and at the same time cash is getting reduced. So you write minus. Now you draw a line and write the amount. 80,000 minus 6, 74,000. Here as it is. Here 6,000. Here as it is. Here as it is. Okay. If you add, we will get the same amount. Here 90,000. Here 74, 84, 90. You see the same amount will be there both the side. Then paid creditor by cash. So cash is getting reduced. At the same time, that creditor also getting reduced. Minus 8,000, here minus 8,000. Then add everything, all the amount as it is. Okay, here we need to subtract, here also we need to subtract. Then purchased goods for cash. Here stock is increasing, cash is reducing. So minus 2,000, stock plus 2,000. Add and subtract and write. Okay. Then paid rent by cash. Here cash is getting reduced. Okay, 500. Then paid rent. Rent will reduce the capital. Alright, that's all. Okay. We will do the second exercise. Okay, we have to do fast because we have very less period. Okay. See, first exercise, complete the following accounting equation. Asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. Asset is 1 lakh, capital is 80,000. Then how much is liability is 20,000, isn't it? Then asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. Here 40,000, here 2 lakh. So 1 lakh 60,000. Asset is equal to capital plus creditors. Capital 1,60,000 plus creditor 1,60,000, 2,40,000. That is asset. Like this they may give 2 and 2 mark will be given. Okay, you should know. Now we will prepare the accounting equation. Raj started business with cash, opened bank account, bought goods from Hari. So okay, here cash account, then capital, just in your rough you have to put, okay, cash, capital, then bank, asset. Okay, here liability we will see. Bought goods from Hari on credit. So creditors, here stock, then Raj withdrew cash for personal use. Cash, then drawings, if that will adjusted in the capital. Bought furniture, so that one asset. Okay, then bank, your debit card. Sold goods to Murugan, that one, that Murugan, and cash received. So stock only. Okay, cash already there. Money withdrawn from bank for office use. Here cash and bank. Okay, both available. So this money asset column, 4 asset column, 2 liabilities column we have to make. Okay. So first we should write the both the pages we should use. Okay. In the books of, no person name given, in the books of Raj. Okay. Accounting equation. Okay, this much page I am going to use. Okay, particulars, then 1 column. So here asset 4 column, 1, okay, then 2, 3, 4, then 1 small column for equal sign, then 2 column, capital creditors. Okay. Okay, particulars. Here, the top you should write asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. Okay, now we can write which column for which one. Okay, cash we will write here first one. Cash is equal to capital. Here creditors. Okay, then after cash bank, then stock, then furniture. Okay, now first one, Raj started business with cash. That you write as the particulars. Okay, number one, Raj started business. Okay, cash you write plus 40,000 is equal to capital how much? 40,000. Draw the column and write here equation. Write here equation 40,000 plus you write. Okay. Okay, now second one. What is second? Open bank account. Opened bank account. So it will increase the bank, isn't it? 30,000 plus 30,000. Then when we open bank account, the cash will get reduced. Okay, now you draw line. Equation you write here. Plus 30,000. Here plus 10,000. Subtract and write. Equal to plus 40,000. Now you check the amount. Here 40, here 40,000. Okay. Now third one. Bought goods from Hari. Bought goods on credit. You can write. Okay. So here it will increase the stock. Okay. 12,000 plus 12,000. And credit we are purchasing. So it will increase the creditors. Okay. Plus 12,000. Now you draw the line and write everything. Plus 12,000 plus 30,000 plus 10,000 equal to plus 40,000 plus 12,000. Now you add here 52, here 30, 40, 52. Okay, this one will be the equation. Then fourth one. Raj withdrew cash. Withdrew cash for personal use. Personal use. Okay, so cash will get reduced. How much? 1,000. Okay, if we withdraw cash for personal use, that will reduce the capital. Okay, now you draw the line and write equation. Plus 12,000 plus 30,000 plus 9,000 is equal to plus 39,000 plus 12,000. Okay, now fifth one. Bought furniture by debit card. By debit card. Bought furniture. It will increase the furniture 10,000. Debit card means bank is paying. So minus 10,000. This one that asset is increasing, another asset is getting reduced. Okay, sometimes that 1 mark, 2 mark question they will ask you, write a transaction that increases an asset and decreases another asset. Okay, this example we can write. Here another one that, this one also we can write. In that depositing cash or money into the bank, then here you see increasing an asset, increasing a liability. Bought goods on credit. Okay. Here decreasing asset, decreasing liability. Okay. That one withdrew for personal use. Okay. So now you write the net amount. You write equation. Okay. Plus 10,000. Plus 12,000. Plus 20,000. Plus 9,000 is equal to plus 39,000 plus 12,000. Okay, 2 more. Sixth one. Sold goods to Murugan and cash received. Sold goods for cash. See here, sold goods means it will reduce the stock. How much? 6,000. Cash we receive, so it will increase the cash. That's all. Write the equation. Plus 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 39,000 plus 12,000. Now 7th one. Money withdrawn from bank for office use. Money withdrawn for office use from bank. So it will reduce the bank balance, isn't it? How much? 1,000. And office use, it will be brought in the cash. Cash will increase. Okay. Now you write the equation. Plus 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 19,000 plus 16,000 is equal to plus 39,000 plus 12,000. Now if you add, you will get the same amount. Okay. Here 39, 49, 51. Okay. See here. 10, 16, 26, then 35, 45, 51. Okay, correct now. Okay, then now you might have understood. Okay, the same problem you have to do. Then the third problem also you can try. Okay, thank you students.